Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create lead magnets using Chatgpt and Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate into Chatgpt and prompt Chatgpt to give you ideas based on a topic of your choice. In this case, I'll navigate down there and ask Chatgpt to give me lead magnet ideas for bodybuilding. I'll press on enter and ChatGPT will give me all the available ideas that I can write about. So by looking through the different ideas that ChatGPT has shared with me, I'll pick one that looks more lucrative to my business. I'll copy that and I'll ask ChatGPT to write for me a magnet document using the title I have just selected. So I'll ask ChatGPT to write me a lead magnet using the below statement or title and make it not too long, just below 2 pages. I'll click on roll and ChatGPT will start writing for me my magnet. As it's writing in there, I'll navigate into canva.com. I've already logged in into my dashboard area and I'll pick one that is closer to bodybuilding. And I feel that this wellness guide looks awesome. I'll click on it and from the flyout menu, I will select customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode. Here, I have the ability to change and edit the different sections within this template. Notice I have 11 pages. So what I'll do is to navigate back into ChatGPT and copy content from what has been created into my template. So I can pick the title, right click, copy, then I'll navigate into Canva and from the title here, double click and I'll put in my statement. Notice how large or big it is, so I can make it a little bit smaller. The ultimate guide to bodybuilding, and I'll start with the introduction. Copy that, bring that into probably my first page, make it fit, and then navigate back into ChatGPT, pick the introduction and paste it into the introduction section. Well, the rest of the pages can just be edited using the very same format. I can also decide to incorporate images. For instance, down here, if I don't like this image, I may choose to get an image that is related to what I do, and I'll do this to every other single pages that are there. If I don't want to use any specific pages, then I'll just navigate to that page and there is a delete option to delete that specific page. Once I'm done, I'll navigate into the share option, select download. I don't want to download it as a PNG, so I'll do a PDF, and in this case I will let it be flattened, and all the pages that I have edited, I will want to download them. Once this is done, I'll hit on the download button, and now I have my magnet to use in my marketing and promotions. Well, is how you can create a lead magnet using ChatGPT and Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.